and gentlemen, welcome to Atlanta, where the local time is about 3 o'clock. We ask that you kindly remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain has brought the aircraft to a complete stop at the gate. We may stop and start several times here in Atlanta. So as soon as it's safe to get up and move around the cabin, she will turn the fasten seatbelt sign off and we will turn up the cabin lighting. For those of you wishing to turn on the cellular function on your cell phones or other handhelds, it's now fine to do so. But larger items like laptops and video players need to stay off until we have stopped at the gate. Please use caution when you open the overhead bins. Things do have a tendency to slide about on landing and very well may fall. If you need any assistance with your connecting flights, ground transportation, or baggage claim, there will be uniformed Delta representatives meeting this flight that will be more than happy to assist you. On behalf of your entire 757 flight crew, it has been our pleasure to have you on board with us today. We do hope you enjoyed your flight. We'd also like to extend a very special thank you and welcome back to our medallion level flyers, our silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. We do appreciate your business and your loyalty. Once again, thanks for flying with us. Have a wonderful day here in Atlanta or wherever the four winds may take you. Good day.
Atlanta.